How to change the duration of an animated graphics Canva animation speed full 2025 guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So after logging into your Canva account, you just have to open a format you want to edit to, and then you just have to click on the elements from here, and you have to search for the glasses option from here. You can search for any of the elements from here. So I'll just choose the glasses option. So let's say this is the option we will be choosing, and after that you just have to click on the animation section from here, and then you just have to check for the animation of style you want to pick. So let's say this is the style, and as you can see, here's a speed option. You can increase or decrease the animation speed from clicking the speed option from here, and as you can see, this is only available to the pro version. So you just have to simply click and drag to change the speed of the animation. So that's how you can change the speed of a animation on animated graphic of Canva. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.